Hey everybody, welcome.
Hi.
Today we're headed into Marshall's to do a little retail arbitrage.
Oh yeah.
We haven't been in here to do this, so is it possible?
Let's check it out.
Join us.
Philosophy, which is a great brand, and this one is on sale for looks like $20, and that's pretty cute. Cable knit, originally $98. Look what I found! 7 pairs of Tari cotton underwear for women for $6. It's definitely a good deal.
Oh my gosh. Who doesn't like Jordan? And who doesn't like to dress their little toddlers in Jordan all over the place? For $6 here, we got 6 pairs of socks, and we can get, I would say, at least $20 for these right here. So
Agree.
yeah, we're gonna take those. Also, Nike. You know we like to sell underwear, and everybody uses them. These are youth size, but for $12, we know we can at least double our money. We got a few of these here. Throw those in. These might be worth it, but there's 3 in the set, and we're missing Sonic the Hedgehog, so...
Isn't that the point?
Here's a fun little toy, and we think this will go right around Christmas time. Now, for only $6, we got some Hello Kitty and Friends, a premium dice set. Looks like we can get $19 or so free shipping. So after fees shipping, around Christmas time, we'll probably get even more. It's a fun one. Let's find some more.
Yeah.
Here's something with a 100% sell-through rate. So in general, we would pick this up, but this is only worth $20, and they want $10 for it. So unfortunately, we're gonna have to leave these behind. I was looking at this here. These are always nice. I mean, this would be a great Christmas gift, but the only thing, they want $16 for it, and we might be able to get $30 minus shipping. So again, things are eBay priced here for the most part. It's gonna be a little tough to find stuff, but we're digging. Here's something that you rarely ever see Legos on sale, or on clearance for that matter. They want $20 for this little set, but on eBay you can pick it up for less than $20 free shipping. Here's something that we've been a little bit choosy about, and that is puzzles. This one right here, though, we see it has a history of sales, and it's going for about $25 plus shipping. They only want $10 for it, so we're gonna pick this one up. Here's something we found that we've found before in discount stores: chopsticks bowls. These are Hello Kitty branded, so even cooler, and they only want, what is it, $8 for these?
Yeah.
$8 for these. And we're seeing comps for $35 plus shipping, so we'll grab both of these. Do you remember this board game back in the day? Well, here's some sort of like variation. They only want $2 for this. Now, I guess we'll take the chance. There's only a history of sales internationally, which is kind of crazy, but at 100% sell-through rate, so we'll give it a shot. We found that these really sort of special candies here, and Michelle, you looked them up and saw that they were going for like maybe $70. So we did a little more research. It's gonna be sort of iffy, so maybe we'll take a chance on a few of these. They want $10 a piece for these, so we're taking a pretty good chance.
a chance, but there was an 8.4 ounce, which was like this, right? And how much did that one go for?
$70. And there's one left, so it's not necessarily a fluke, but you know, we'll check this out. Yeah. And oh my gosh, look, it's ripped.
Oh, you guys.
Oh my gosh. More of these things.
And they just keep getting cheaper too. It's $6 now.
Yeah, how much now?
$6
only.
Each time they get $1 cheaper.
$1 or $2, yeah. I think $10 was the first time. And then we found some more the other day, and we keep adding to the collection. Now, either we're going to strike it rich one day,
or we're going to be giving them away free.
Yeah, we're
on
going
our
to
channel.
maybe taking a bath on them, but we're going to hope for the best.
Oh, fingers crossed. True Religion boxer briefs.
Oh, cool.
I was just trying to look them up to see.
Nice. I found some True Religion socks here.
No.
Yeah. They want only $8 for these, and I was looking them up. We could get probably like around 30 for these. So
Sweet.
Over here in the men's section, which I can relate, we got some underpants here by Spider. As a 4-pack, they want $10, and decent sell-through rate actually goes for 30 plus shipping. So we'll triple our money on that. I like that. Also, another trusted brand, Remington. This is a beard and goatee trimmer. Try to say that one. This goes for around $30, and they just want 10 for this. So I think I'll pick this one up too. Really good sell-through rate. So we made our final selections, and we think we got about $500, $600 worth of stuff, gross sales, once all is said and done. But we'll show you exactly what we paid for it afterwards. But let's just go through one more time what we got.
Yes. Hey, number one, this one's yours, baby.
Yeah, so if you remember this game, of course, we're just gonna, like I said, international sales, but we'll give it a try, and I bet around Christmas time we'll get $20, $25 for this year.
If you guys know us, you know that we love undergarments, underwear, t-shirts, and basic socks, right? Well, we hit the jackpot with these, which are True Religion, and how much are they?
$6 or $7 to $8, depending on which one here. We found 3 packs. Two of them are identical, so we'll put a quantity on it, and we'll be good to go.
Yay, True Religion, we love that. The next thing that we picked up is just so stinking adorable. These are the, go ahead.
Oh, Hello Kitty chopstick bowls here. These should go for around $30.
They're so cute. Oh, Hello Kitty in the middle, I'm a sucker.
And they're different too, so that's actually 2 separate listings that we'll make on that one. Pretty cool.
All right.
So, again, like I explained, we're pretty choosy with puzzles, but this one has some pretty cool and fun subject matter, and nice and sealed, new and modern. We should get about $30 for that, hopefully.
And for $6, I found a bunch of these sets of 7 girls cotton underwear by Tahari. I'm so excited.
No doubt, that is such a great deal, I think.
Oh, we sell tons of these.
Speaking of underwear as well, we picked up some youth size Nike brand boxer briefs here. So 3 pairs of these, or 3 sets of these here, should go actually pretty quickly. I mean, Nike is Nike, and underwear is underwear.
And speaking of cute little underwears, look at these little baby Air Jordan socks. Holy moly! Oh my gosh.
Those are going to sell, no problem.
23.
Oh, of course.
Of course. Okay, why don't you talk about this cute little thing?
Oh, okay. Hello Kitty, once again, awesome brand. And this is just a, what is it, premium dice set. You know, a fun little gift. We figure this is going to go around Christmas time, if not before, so cool.
3 more tins of the shortbread cookies with King Charles on them. This is the 3rd round of sets we've gotten, and each time we find them, they're $1 cheaper. So these are $6.
And of course, Remington, a nice beard trimmer here. These never go out of style. Guys need these all the time, including myself.
And speaking of, you know, boxer briefs, these are Spider, and these were quite a great catch, right?
Yeah, I think these will go for $30. That's what the comps are saying anyway. And last but not least.
Last but not least, we are going to talk about these. And these are the dark sea salt caramel truffles. We found a bunch of them, and we just had to look them up, so I looked them up, and some of them were selling for
like $70. Now, like we said before, if it's a fluke or not, we're not sure, but we're going to check it out.
Yes, and we did pick up all of them, so we'll see. Or we'll eat them. I'll eat them. I'll eat them.
So let's go up and see exactly what we paid for all this stuff.
Did you find everything you were looking for?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Good. Your total is $207.62.
Wow, guys, there we go. Coming out of Marshall's, we spent $207, but we project at least $550 to $600 in gross sales there. So once again, tripling our money doing this retail arbitrage, which seems to be
Working for us.
yeah, it seems to be kind of par. Sometimes 5 times your money, but it was a little expensive here. But we found some really great brands and some good sell-through rates. So good deal. Congratulations, guys, when you get out there and get that retail arbitrage and find some good stuff.
Yep.
Until next time, guys. That's up to you. Everybody, welcome.
Hi.
Today we're headed into
One of the really good things about doing retail arbitrage is that sometimes you run into, brands that you've never heard of that are worth a lot of money. This is on sale for $180 on sale. So this is a beautiful piece, high-end luxury piece, and it is by a company called Soya and Kayo. So take a look, because I did not know that this designer was worth this kind of money.
salad bowl. Spinner.
We love that.
Yeah, so cool. $6 on that. We'll be good to go.
Yay, true religion, we love that.
Oh,